Hey there, viewers! Having gorgeous curly hair is a gift, but dealing with frizz can be a daily struggle. Today, we're here to rescue your locks with the top 5 must-have hair products for frizz-free, beautiful curls in Pakistan. First up, we have the Coco Curls 4-in-1 Curl Treatment. This multi-purpose product hydrates, defines, and protects your curls, leaving them soft, well-defined, and frizz-free. Next, we have the René Furterer Sublime Curl Defining Nutri-Cream. This elegant solution deeply nourishes and moisturizes your curls, offering protection against humidity and imparting a gorgeous shine. Now, let's talk about the Seoulista Beauty Curly Locks Hair Mask. This specially formulated mask packed with shea butter and coconut oil provides intense hydration, reducing frizz and promoting healthy, vibrant curls. Looking for a professional solution? The Scop BC Moisture Kick Glycerol Treatment Mask is your answer. It replenishes moisture levels, reduces frizz, and restores the natural elasticity of your curls. Last but not least, we have the PhytoSpecific Bow Bab Oil Hair and Body. Enriched with Bow Bab oil, this versatile product deeply moisturizes, combats frizz, and nourishes both your hair and skin. These 5 products have proven their effectiveness, leaving you with longer-lasting, frizz-free hair, incredible softness, definition, and noticeable shine. Embrace the journey toward luscious, frizz-free curls. Remember to cherish your natural texture and give your curls the care they deserve. Thank you for joining us today in the quest for frizz-free, stunning curls. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description for more details. Until next time, happy curling!